Actor Sonu Sood has evaded taxes of over 20 crore rupees, the Income Tax Department said in a statement today after visiting his Mumbai home for 3 days in a row for a search. Sood, 48 years old, had recently announced a tie-up with Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party government. The tax department said Sonu Sood's non-profit also raised 2.1 crore rupees from the overseas donors using a crowdfunding platform in violation of the law, that is FCRA, that governs such transactions. During the course of search at the premises of the actor and his associates, incriminating evidences pertaining to tax evasion have been found. The main modus operandi followed by the actor had been to route his unaccounted income to the form of bogus unsecured loans from many bogus entities, the tax department said in a statement. States and union territories should undertake in-depth analysis of the COVID-19 situation and strengthen health infrastructure, stock essential medicines, and augment human resources, Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba said today, stressing that there is no room for any complacency. Mr. Gauba chaired a high-level committee to review and discuss the COVID management and response strategy through video conferencing on Saturday. In the meeting, Gauba told the states that there is no room for complacency and stressed the need to be strictly enforcing COVID-appropriate behavior. Drawing example from other countries that witnessed multiple peaks of COVID-19, he expressed concern over high test positivity being reported in certain pockets of the country. The union government has scaled down the armed security cover of Central Paramilitary Commandos given to Babul Supriyo, who left the BJP and joined the Trinamool Congress on Saturday, official sources have said. The cover has been reduced from the second highest level of Z category to Y category after an order was issued by the Union Home Ministry on Friday. The security cover given to VVIPs and high-risk personalities under the central scheme ranges from the highest Z plus followed by Z, Y plus, Y and X categories. On the scaling down of Supriyo's security category, the sources said that a recommendation in this context was made by Central Security and Intelligence Agencies. The Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad has arrested a man from Mumbai in connection with the Pakistan-supported terror module busted by Delhi police earlier this week. Zakir Hussain Sheikh, the accused, was in touch with someone from neighbouring country, the ATS told a court on Saturday while seeking his remand. The court sent him in the ATS custody till September 20th. Zakir Hussain Sheikh was arrested from suburban Jogeshwari during an operation conducted on Friday night, sources in the Mumbai Police Department said. United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee Filippo Grandi has said that the humanitarian situation in Afghanistan is pretty desperate and called for urgent aid to the country. Speaking at a press conference in Islamabad, Grandi described the humanitarian situation in Afghanistan as desperate and stressed that food, shelter, medicine and other necessities are needed urgently. When asked about the Taliban's rule, Grandi said that humanitarian assistance is not subjected to any political consideration and should not be. Raising concerns over the frozen Afghan assets in other countries, Grandi stressed that the money shortage could lead to the collapse of public services and it will lead to an even bigger humanitarian crisis.